Innovation in battery technologies is revolutionizing energy storage. Did you know that solid-state or flow batteries can increase the efficiency and safety of your projects? Today, we will explore these emerging technologies and their impact on the energy sector. If you are interested in advanced solutions, this video is for you. Solid-state batteries represent a revolutionary breakthrough in energy storage. Unlike traditional batteries, they replace the flammable liquid electrolyte with a solid electrolyte, significantly improving both safety and energy density. These features make them ideal for advanced projects that demand greater efficiency and reliability. The key advantages of these batteries are higher energy density. These batteries can store more energy in a reduced space, optimizing their use in applications where size and weight are critical factors, such as compact installations and high energy demand projects. Improve safety. Thanks to the absence of flammable electrolytes, these batteries comply with strict safety regulations, such as UL 9540A, significantly reducing the risk of thermal runaway and increasing operational reliability. Longer life cycles. With greater durability, solid-state batteries offer more charge and discharge cycles than conventional batteries, resulting in superior long-term cost-effectiveness and lower maintenance and replacement costs. In Germany, a pilot project uses solid-state batteries to store solar energy. This solution has increased system autonomy, demonstrating its ability to maximize energy efficiency and ensure sustainable operations in renewable applications. Solid-state batteries are an innovative technology that combines high efficiency, improved safety, and superior durability. These advantages position them as a strategic choice for modern energy projects seeking compact, safe, and cost-effective solutions over time. These batteries store energy in liquid electrolytes, which makes it possible to increase their capacity by simply adding more electrolyte volume, without the need to modify the structure. The key advantages are scalability. Increasing capacity is as simple as adding more electrolyte, making them ideal for large-scale storage projects. Long lifetime. They can perform tens of thousands of charge and discharge cycles without significant loss of capacity, reducing long-term maintenance. Costs. Operational flexibility. They can charge and discharge simultaneously, which makes them perfect for stabilizing power grids in solar or wind power plants. In Chile, a solar plant in the Atacama Desert uses flow batteries to store surplus energy during the day and supply it to the grid at night, improving system stability and efficiency. Sodium and aluminum-ion batteries are emerging technologies that promise to be more sustainable and cost-effective alternatives to traditional solutions such as lithium batteries. Although still in the development stage, their potential is already attracting attention in key sectors such as electric mobility and decentralized energy storage. Sodium batteries are selling points, economical and sustainable. They use sodium, an abundant and low-cost material, making them a more affordable and environmentally friendly option. Ideal applications. They are perfect for systems where cost is a priority over other factors, such as low-budget energy storage facilities. Aluminum-ion battery sales are high energy density. They offer superior energy capacity compared to other emerging technologies. Fast charging. Their ability to charge quickly makes them especially attractive for electric mobility applications and distributed storage systems. Versatility. They are ideal for projects that require high efficiency in small spaces. In Japan, an electric mobility project is exploring the use of aluminum-ion batteries in electric vehicles, highlighting their potential to increase range and reduce charging times, which could revolutionize sustainable urban transportation. These technologies are reducing operating costs and improving the sustainability of storage systems. A recommendation. Adopting these technologies is essential to remain competitive in a rapidly evolving market. New battery technologies are redefining the future of energy storage. If you are looking to implement advanced solutions in your projects, contact me on LinkedIn. Let's take your ideas to the next level. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and continue learning about BESS systems.